This one's already been zoned to something. I'm going to reset it. So I'm going to hold this button for 10 seconds. You should be able to see out the side until it blinks, ideally. To hold it long enough that you get a blink. So if it's still solid, that means you did something wrong. You need to keep holding that button down until you get a blink at the end. Then you want to go into your Smart Life app first. So I'm in app. You're going to go plus, scan. Once again, don't panic that there's a lot of stuff here. It will pick up what it needs to pick up. If it doesn't do what I just did, it started to pick up the instructions. I backed out and it picked up the transformer right away. So I'm going to add the transformer. Power on the device after it has been powered off for 10 seconds. Just to be safe, I'm going to do what it says. I'm just going to abide by the rules of the phone here. So I'm going to count to 10. Cool. So now I'm plugged in. This is back to its original setting, so I'm going to reset. I can tell that because it's not blinking. Okay, blinking now, so we're good. So I'm going to go next. Tells me to do what I just did. I'm going to go next. It's going to ask that it's blinking fast. I'm going to say yes it is. It's going to ask that we're on 2.4 gigahertz, which I hope we are. Now I'm going to hit next. I'm going to confirm and proceed. It's being added. Now ideally, you want to do this closer to where your Wi-Fi connection is if you're having any issues. So if you're having any issues, unplug it, go buy your Wi-Fi router, do this dog and pony show, then put it on the side of the building. It should already be added, so if you're having problems at that point, that means you have a Wi-Fi issue. So you need to get a Wi-Fi mesh extender. And make sure you're on 2.4 gigahertz. Make sure if it's a split internet that it really splits. My last router, I had issues with my pool equipment, my printer, everything, because even though it said it would automatically split the bands, it wasn't splitting the bands properly. So I had to replace my router. I tried a blink camera, a printer, my pool controller. So it wasn't the transformer's fault, it was the router's fault. Make sure you have a proper 2.4 gigahertz band that you're connecting other product to. So once again, very quickly for this one attached to our Wi-Fi. Now I'm locked and loaded. Now I've got my power in, power out. If you have some issues after there, where you're going to want to go once you've got it connected. So let's say you connected it at the Wi-Fi. Now you're on the side of the building. You're having some trouble. If you can get to your settings, go to device status, go to device information. It's also going to give you your signal strength. So see our website, our troubleshooting facts. Whitney will probably flash on the screen now some acceptable dBn ranges. Make sure you're at your proper location. If you don't have your location enabled, it's going to put you on the wrong time zone. So I would go exact location. I would register